Have you ever thought about starting an export business with a low budget? It might seem like a daunting task, but with careful planning and research, it can be done. Imagine the thrill of connecting with global markets, delivering unique products, and building a successful venture from scratch. Today, we are going to explore 10 export business ideas that won't break the bank. So, if you are ready to take the leap into the exciting world of export business, stay tuned as we reveal 10 low budget export business ideas. Starting an export business with a low budget requires careful planning and research. Here are 10 export business ideas along with websites to refer for product and buyer list as well as licenses required. First, handmade crafts and artifacts. The demand for unique handcrafted items never fades. Websites like Etsy, eBay, and Alibaba are great platforms to showcase your products. You will need a business license and possibly an export license depending on your country's regulations. Second on the list, organic agricultural products. With the rise of health consciousness, organic products are in high demand. Alibaba Global Sources and Trade India can provide you with the potential buyers. Be sure to acquire an organic certifications and export license. Thirdly, fashion accessories. This industry is always evolving, presenting a myriad of opportunities. Alibaba, Made in China, and India Mart are excellent sources for product and buyer list. You will need a business license and an export licenses. Fourth, specialty foods and beverages. Exotic flavors and unique food items are sought after worldwide. Alibaba Global Sources and TradeKey are platforms worth exploring. Don't forget to get an FDA registration for US market and an export license. The fifth idea is handcrafted and ethnic goods. Celebrate cultural diversity by exporting ethnic goods. Etsy, eBay, and Novika are platforms to consider. You will need a business license and an export license. Next, beauty and personal care products. The beauty industry is booming. AliExpress, DHgate, and Made in China can help you find buyers. Make sure you have a business license and an export license. Seventh, home decor and furnishings. Everyone loves a well decorated home. Wayfair, Alibaba, and Trade India are platforms to consider. You will need a business license and an export license. Eighth on our list, mobile accessories and gadgets. As technology advances, so does the demand for these products. Alibaba, Made in China, and global sources are useful platforms. A business license and an export license are required. Ninth, herbal and Ayurvedic products. Natural health products are increasingly popular. Alibaba, IndiaMart, and Trade India are potential sources for buyers. Be sure to have a business license and an export license. Finally, recycled and upcycled products. With increased environmental awareness, these products have a growing market. Etsy, eBay, and Alibaba are ideal platforms. You will need a business license and an export license. These are just few examples of the many export business ideas one can start with a low budget. The key is to find a niche that aligns with your interest and expertise. For finding buyers and product listing, you can use various online marketplaces. Websites like Alibaba, eBay, and Etsy serve as excellent platform to connect with potential customers. Also, specialized B2B platforms like Global Sources, IndiaMart, and Trade India can help you reach out to a broader audience. Don't forget to explore trade directories and consider attending trade shows related to your industry to find potential buyers and suppliers. Remember that licensing requirements vary by country and products. You will generally need a business license to operate legally. Depending on your products and where you are exporting to, Additional certifications may be required. This could include organic certifications for organic products or FDA registration for a certain food and beverage items. Always make sure to comply with the regulations of both home country and the countries you plan to export to. Remember, starting a successful export business involves more than just a good idea. It requires careful research, compliance with regulations, and a commitment to delivering quality products. If you found this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep exploring and keep growing.